Meaning of exceedingly.
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 Exceedingly. The word exceedingly means to a great degree or extremely. It is used to describe something that is beyond the norm and goes beyond what is expected. When something is described as exceedingly, it implies that it surpasses the usual level of excellence, intensity, quantity, or quality. It is often used to emphasize the impact or importance of something. Exceedingly can also be used to describe emotions, feelings, or behavior that is intense, extreme, or unusual in some way. Overall, exceedingly is a strong modifier that conveys a sense of exceptionalism or extremity.